Hi, it's me again. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna fix another designer problem, and this time it is an expensive one. Have you ever spent thousands on a designer bag only to watch it fall apart like this? Well, you're not alone. The Louis Vuitton Palm Springs Mini is a popular bag, but it has a well-known issue, the coating to peel off for no apparent reason. And to make the matters worse, the store won't take responsibility. According to our clients who tried to return the bag, LV claims this is a normal wear and tear and refuses to repair it. So today, we're taking matters into our own hands and we will restore this bag step by step. If you're having the same issue with your own bag, you can try to do it yourself using the simple and practical techniques that we are going to show you today. Before starting, we have to make sure that the bag surface is clean and free from any dust. As you can see, the protective coating is peeling badly and even the monogram print is starting to come off. First, you need to carefully remove the damaged coating because if you just paint over it or refinish it directly, the new coating won't last because the old flaking layer will prevent proper adhesion. That is why this step is crucial. Rushing it could lead to an uneven finish or peeling again down the line. We're using a gentle leather conditioner that softens the remaining coating without damaging the canvas underneath. This helps break down any loose or brittle areas so we can remove them cleanly. Once the conditioner has had time to work, we can go in using a cotton bud. The goal is not to scrub aggressively but to gently smooth the edges between the damaged and intact areas. This ensures that when we apply the new finish later, it blends seamlessly without visible ridges or rough patches. Patience is the key here. If I strip too much, I could expose the raw canvas, which is much harder to restore. So I'm taking my time to get an even, clean base before moving to the next step. Once all residue has been cleaned out, we will apply our first coat. You can use any finisher by Angelus, but here we are using the urethane coating in satin finish. So this part is where it gets tricky. Since the monogram has partially worn away, I have to recreate the missing sections because if a pattern is even slightly off, it will stand out. So to make sure I get the placement and shape exactly right, I made a cutout of the monogram print. This acts as a stencil, helping me replicate the design with perfect alignment. The goal is to match the existing print so well that you'll never know it was restored. I'm using a color matching technique, mixing paints to match the exact shade of the LV monogram and a bit of finisher. Once I have the right tone, I'll carefully apply the paint in thin layers using a fine detail brush for accuracy. This step requires a steady hand and a lot of patience. One mistake and I'll have to start over. But taking my time here will ensure the final result looks as close to the original as possible. Now that the print is restored, I need to lock everything in with a durable top coat. This will protect the bag from future peeling and keep it looking fresh for a long time. We will mix two finisher on this top coat using the satin 4 coat by Angelus and a high gloss finisher. Multiple thin layers work best. This way, the finish remains flexible and doesn't crack over time. And here's the final result. No more peeling, no more missing monogram. The bag is ready to be loved again. Thank you so much for watching until the end. I hope you learned something from today's video, and I'll see you on the next one.